go.
Yeah, now we're gonna do the spirit box at the iron furnace. I'm already feeling some weird stuff here and hearing some stuff that nobody else apparently is hearing and feeling. So, lots of flashing behind y'all. And so I feel like it's a good time to do a spirit box, and I guess it's gotta be me.
Look.
Is there anyone here? Is there someone walking around behind me right now?
Huh.
Yeah.
I said yeah.
I can hear you walking. Are you the one that I keep hearing talking as well?
I heard I am.
Yes. Okay. You're standing very close to me, aren't you? Yeah. Literally.
I think I just seen an orb on you.
Yeah, it's very close. Are you friendly? Yes, you. Are you friendly? You first. Did you used to work in this when it was operating? Can you tell me what you used to make in this furnace? What was it? I can't look behind me.
Oh,
I just turned the light off.
I didn't. I can get the light back on.
Mine won't work. Are you using our phones?
There is something, I'm telling you, there's something up here walking behind me. I keep hearing it
Here's the.
and feeling it. Here, what you-